Hi, my name is Christoph Watzke and I'm the responsible product manager for plastic pipe welding tools at Rothenberger. And today I want to show you a new product of Rothenberger, the ROFUSE Sani. The ROFUSE Sani is a special electrofusion welding unit for non-pressure PE pipe fittings like these. The application is for typical drainage systems, for roof drainage systems, normal drainage systems like you can see here. So, and why it is, from my opinion, the most suitable tool for you as a plumber or as a facility manager, I will explain you with the next 3 facts. Fact number 1. What's really important for you is the robustness. Our ROFUSE Sani comes in our proven packaging system, the ROCASE. That makes it very easy for you to carry the tool and protects the tool from any damage so that you are ready for action at any time. The second fact is the easy handling. So the ROFUSE Sani is equipped with a big, large illuminated display that allows you to monitor all the welding data. In addition to this, it's equipped with a 3-meter long cable that allows you to operate in a very large operation radius. And the last one are the 90-degree or the angled plugs. So the angled plugs allows a very small operation height so that you can weld nearly every fitting within confined spaces. So as you can see here, it's very good and easy to handle. But what is the most important thing? Of course, fact 3, safe weldings. So to ensure safe weldings, 2 things are very, very important. The one is the quality of the welder, and the second thing is the quality of the welding unit. And now I will show you why our ROFUSE Sani will help you to ensure safe and tight weldings. As you can see here, there are many icons. The ROFUSE Sani works with an icon-based and not a language-based software. That means that you can see directly whether there is an error, what's the error, and how you can adjust it. For example, if everything is connected correctly. So if I would disconnect the fitting from the plug, then you would see directly that anything is not okay. The next thing is the microprocessor, what's inside the unit. The microprocessor measures the ambient temperature and always sets the right welding parameter. In addition to this, we have also an automatic voltage control. So if you have any fluctuating voltages in the power supply, the unit will fully compensate everything without breaking up the process. So that means that all ensures a safe welding for you. Enjoy the new ROFUSE Sani, have a nice day, and I'm very excited to get your feedback. So maybe we will see us at the next fair. Bye bye.